As e-commerce continues to grow, returns are also on the rise. Estimates for returns of online purchases range from 15 to 30% or more, especially for apparel, compared to just 3 to 10% for brick-and-mortar stores. When returned or refurbished items arrive, they need to be sorted and then transported to different locations throughout the facility for processing. Manufacturing operations have similar challenges with kitting processes. Delays or errors can occur when workers have to wait, don't move to the right locations, or have other responsibilities in addition to moving goods. The solution? Turnkey Collaborative Autonomous Mobile Robots, or AMRs, for fulfillment, distribution, and manufacturing operations. These highly efficient AMRs, supplied in collaboration with Fetch Robotics, increase your facility's productivity by automating rolling cart movement, enabling you to redeploy employees to higher value activities. Available seamless integration with Momentum software enables goods to be moved from receiving through other areas in the warehouse. Robot movement can be controlled with handheld scanners or network buttons, ensuring continuous operation and worker productivity. Advanced sensor and camera technologies ensure that AMRs navigate safely in dynamic environments, giving the right-of-way to workers and vehicles. This revolutionary technology can be deployed quickly and requires minimal infrastructure changes to get up and running. AMRs also support a wide range of workflows, enabling you to scale quickly and see return on investment almost immediately. The AMRs can connect directly to your MES or WMS system to coordinate and optimize the movement of goods, eliminating manual errors and human wait times. Robots can also be combined with order picking technologies like RFID scanners or voice systems, eliminating even more errors. In distribution and fulfillment operations, returns that have been sorted can be picked up in a receiving area. RFID scanners can be used to scan items and communicate with Momentum software. The nearest available robot is then called to pick up the cart and deliver it to its destination. In manufacturing environments, the manufacturing execution system can instruct robots to pick up and transport items that are ready for kitting. Carts can be transported virtually anywhere throughout your facility. Honeywell Robotics provides a complete turnkey AMR solution throughout your facility.